I've been exploring the FitOn fitness mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. FitOn is a home workout and wellness app designed for people who want guided video classes without committing to an expensive gym or studio membership. It suits beginners and busy users who need flexible, follow-along sessions they can do anywhere. The app's core strengths are its large library of workouts and meditations, covering cardio, strength, HIIT, yoga, Pilates, and more, plus the ability to filter by time, intensity, and body part so you can fit something in even on hectic days. It also offers live and on-demand classes, social features like leaderboards and chat, and optional pro extras such as meal plans, recipes, offline downloads, and premium music, which many reviewers say help them stay consistent and motivated. Ratings are very high overall, with users frequently praising the variety, free access to quality workouts, and engaging celebrity trainers. However, it is not without flaws. Some users mention small content gaps or feature wishes, like better search or more polished recipe details, and others report occasional issues when using audio-based features such as sleep meditations with the screen off. While the base app is free, some of the more advanced conveniences sit behind the pro paywall, which may disappoint people expecting everything to be unlocked. As with most wellness apps, it also collects certain personal and usage data, so it is worth glancing at FitOn's own documentation and considering your comfort level with sharing fitness information before diving in. Overall, FitOn is a solid choice if you value variety, instructor-led classes, and the ability to work out at home without paying for a traditional membership. It seems especially well-suited for motivated self-starters who will actually use the large library, and, if they choose Pro, the meal and recipe features, while those who prefer very minimal data sharing or highly specialized programs may want to weigh those trade-offs before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.